crinum. Crinum, I mean crime. So crime means someone's proving something to you. Crime means that someone's like mean to you or something like that, and they explain what happened. So that's obviously what crime is. Now for climbing. Climbing is when you hang on to something and you start just moving your feet and arms. It's also an exercise. Climbing. You can say it when you're climbing a wall or climbing a footwall. Sometimes you can do anything like that. And sometimes you can do something better than that. Now, tree. Tree is usually something brown and has leaves. That's also something that we throw on. So, it's actually just a brown thing of wood. Now, wood is what makes that. So, if you want to know what wood is, just look at trees. They're wood. See? See? Okay. So, now, we're talking about plants. Plants growing out of a yard or something. Weeds are not plants. Weeds are actually an enemy to plants. They kill plants. And sometimes you make plants with seeds. So it's obviously just weeds. But they actually don't kill anything. Weeds kill things, but sometimes not. Okay, now for rocks. There are things that sometimes are stuck into the ground and sometimes out of the ground. Sometimes you throw them, sometimes they're hard. Sometimes people even try to step on them and break them. Sometimes no, you can't. So, also you can use this thing. I was sleeping as hard as a rock. That means you don't know how to sleep, or you do know how to sleep really good. So,
Oops.
Lake is always the thing that holds. Ew! Lake has poop in it in all kinds of ways. But sometimes lakes actually have water in it, no poop. Sometimes you can get lakes for flooding. Sometimes you can get lakes which are in the ground. So, that's what lake is.
You remember how you were talking about me being too naturey?
Yeah.
I think you might be.
Okay, now for dog. Dog is always a pet. So, like dog or cat. Dogs and cats are enemies. But sometimes not. Okay, so dogs eat, sleep, and eat. They also play. Dogs are a great thing as well. Dogs hunt. Dogs are party. Dogs can play. Okay, now for cat. Cat is always the nicest thing to use because cats are scared of dogs. Now, sometimes they're not, but sometimes they are. The reason they sometimes are and sometimes not is because they don't like each other. And the cat thinks that it's going to hit him or bite him or something. So, that's what cat is. Now for woodchip. Woodchips are obviously wood. So, it's actually tree woodchips. Woodchips are actually from they plant woodchips. So they would keep sometimes nature. Now for soil. Soil is something that helps plants grow because it has light in it that helps forces go together and work. And then those light nutrients and then make the light. So it's obviously the same thing. So just try that. And also you can learn to sing from cow poop. It smells horrible.
It does.
So, if you really love cow poop, hate it. Because if you eat cow poop, you are just a little old brat. And I don't usually talk like that. But, other than that, that's it for today.
All right.